Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to EVS class. In today's EVS class, we shall work with the book Animal Kingdom. In the book Animal Kingdom, open page number 11 where we have a new concept, animal behavior and movements. The first behavior or the movement of the animals given here is migration. So, what is migration? Seasonally, few animals moves from one region to another. The animals which usually migrates are given here. They are wild beast, penguin, whale, the humpback whale and grey whale. These are few animals which usually migrates from one place to another. It may be the seasonal movement. The second movement of the animal or the behavior is hibernation. So what is hibernation? It is an inactive state which resembles deep sleep in which certain animals living in cold climates pass the winter. These animals remains inactive for a period. It is called as hibernation. The animals which usually hibernate are bear and bat. Flying. Birds and few insects can fly. Walking and running. Almost all the animals walks and runs. Few are elephant, cheetah, zebra, dog and the bird ostrich which cannot fly. They can walk and run. Swimming. The water animals can swim. Fish, octopus, whale, shark, all those are the animals which can swim, the water animals. Crawling. Few animals can't walk or run. They crawls. For example, tortoise, crocodile and lizards. Hopping. It is also one of the movement of the animal. Kangaroo and frogs can hop. Slithering. Snakes slithers. After knowing the animal behavior and movements, let us move on to the activities in the next page. Write H for animals that hibernate, draw the paths and help them reach the place of hibernation. The animals which hibernate are bear and bat. I have written H for both the animals. Zebra doesn't belong to the group of the animal which hibernates. So, dear parents, kindly help your children to show the path for which these two animals hibernate. After completing it, let us move on to the next activity where we have to color the pictures, trace and write the words given below. Here we have the picture of lion and bear. Color them both, trace their names and write the same in the space provided. After completing it, let us move on to page number 13 where we have an activity to match each animal to its name. The animals' pictures are given and their names are in the right way. We have to match them both. Adélie penguin, grey whale, wild beast and bat. Match the pictures to the names of the animals. And then we have still two more animals to color. The picture of octopus and penguin. Color them both, trace their names and write the same in the space provided. Dear parents, kindly help your children to understand the concept animal behavior and movements and also to complete the activities given in page number 12 and 13. Thank you.